Hi everyone, welcome back, and I am excited. Today I'm going to be picking the winner for my Christmas hop crafters hop collaboration with Rachel and Bella. And so today I'll be picking the winner. So I posted a video on, I think it was the 14th of November, and you had to leave a comment on that video. And so first off, I just want to say again a big thank you to Rachel and to Bella. Again, this was another amazing hop. I am still getting through all of the end of November videos, but I'm trying to comment on every video as I watch it, and they all have been fabulous. So Rachel, you did a wonderful job as usual. Knocked the kit out of the park. So let me go through what you'll be receiving as part of this giveaway. So first off, you'll be receiving this little mini folio that I made. So this was part of my day, was a mini folio, and this is a one-page wonder, and you can go back and watch the video if you missed it. But the winner will receive this, and I've put like a little tiny tag in this pocket, and I've stuffed the pockets full of tags, and I have a vintage milk bottle cap underneath this hidden paper clip. I've added a little bulb pin with a bell and a little Christmas tree charm. We have some of the pom-pom trim here. We have our two little tags and our little tuck right here. I added some color seam binding too. And then we have another little card in this pocket, and I added a whale's tail tag to that. And we have the Velcro closure. So you can continue to add a little more decorations to this once you receive it. So you will also receive this vintage placemat. It's something that I have had for a while, picked up at an estate sale, and along with it you will receive the matching vintage napkin and the little vintage coaster. Isn't that cute? I will have to fold this in half, the placemat, so just be aware of that. You will also receive, so these are all of the little offcuts from my kit. So I did punch out a couple extra whale tails, so you'll get those. And then all the things that I fussy cut, and I didn't get to a couple of them, but you can fussy cut those out. And then just all the little bits and bobs that I used to make this. So in case you want to do some more decorating, you'll have all these little bits and pieces to do some more decorating, or even, make some more tags, or use it for another folio, whatever you choose. You also will get a little piece of this fabric. This fabric is a vintage fabric, and I thought it just went nicely with the theme of this kit. So you can, do some other little make tags with it, do some other decorating. You'll get a vintage piece of stationery, and I love the holly around the edges. And then you'll get three little vintage, or nearly vintage, they're old, just put it that way, little Christmas tags. So that is what you'll get. Oh, I also thought I'd throw in a couple of these. I always just think these are fun. You can turn them into wreaths. You can do whatever you want with them. So thought I would throw those in there as well. All right, so that is what the winner will be receiving. I'm going to be using the comment picker here. So I've loaded up the video. Make sure I'm on camera. Hopefully all of that was on camera. Let's see, I've loaded up the camera. I've added all the comments. I did reply, so I excluded my comments. So that left us with 66 comments. And I have some dirt on my iPad. Get that off of there. And I'm going to hit the start button. All right, so let's see. Claire Van Cott, 8046 is the winner. Congratulations. Let me screenshot that. Perfect. So Claire, if you will email me at Kentucky Krafter 1, the number 1, at gmail.com. And I'll put it on the screen here, and I'll put it in the description box below. So email me your mailing address, and I'll get this off into the mail to you. And I'll probably throw a few other little extras in here. You never know. So just be aware that there could be a little more things in there. So don't be surprised. All right, guys. Thank you all so much to everyone who watched and commented. Your all's comments were so sweet. And another shout out to Linda, who was my partner that day. And I loved her take on the folio. And I don't know if she's already announced the winner for her giveaway, but make sure you check her channel out. And again, a big thank you to Rach and Bella. If you have not picked up Rach and Bella's kit, go to her website. I'll link that down below. And she also has a whole bunch of freebies on her Ko-fi page. So make sure you go check out her Ko-fi page, coffee page, however you want to pronounce it, Ko-fi. And at least get the freebies if you don't get the kit. But this kit, it's just darling. And I think that is everything. Oh, no. I also am doing a birthday giveaway. So make sure you check out that video. I'll link that at the end of this video. And you have till your item doesn't need to be postmarked to me until December 31st of 2025. So you have plenty of time to enter. Super easy to enter. Watch that video to find out all the details. I'm going to be giving away $75 gift card and a $50 gift card to your place of choice. And I would love to have you enter. I think it's a fun way for us to get to know each other a little bit better. And if you send me something, I will send you something as part of the birthday challenge. And yeah, so make sure you check that out. And also come back for my 12 days of junk journaling. I'll be starting that probably the end of next week. And I'm going to be doing something fun every day. A fun little, junk journaling layout with some just ordinary items that we collect, us junk journalers collect. So I hope you come back for that as well. All right. Congratulations again to Claire Van Cott. Congratulations. All right. I will see you all in the next video. Thanks again, guys. Bye.